Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the battle between Google Bard and ChatGPT, the battle of AI language models. Google has recently launched its AI language model, that is Google Bard, and OpenAI has launched few months ago, that is ChatGPT. Currently Google Bard is now available for free in over 180 countries. Bard can communicate and generate human-like text in response to a wide range of prompts. Bard can search the internet in real time to give more accurate answers. Today I am going to discuss about the 8 features that Google's AI has but ChatGPT does not. So what are the features? The first feature is search the internet in real time. Bard can search the internet in real time as you type your queries or prompts. This means that it can find and use the most relevant and up-to-date information from the web to answer your questions or generate text. This feature can be very useful for research purpose as well as for other tasks that require online information. But ChatGPT is not up to date. Its database is of September 2021. The next point is accept voice input. Bard can be interacted with using your voice, which can be more convenient in some situation. For example, you can use voice input when you are on the go, when you have your hands busy, or when you prefer to speak rather than type. You can use voice input to dictate longer text or to ask complex questions. Another feature is you can export generated text directly to a variety of formats. Bard can generate text in different formats including PDF, Word and HTML. This makes it easy to share your work with others or to use it in other applications. For example, you can export a PDF of a report that Bard generated for you, or you can export a Word document of a story that Bard wrote for you. You can also export an HTML file of a web page that Bard summarized for you. Even Bard can summarize web pages, which is a great way to quickly get the gist of a long or complex article. You can simply paste the URL of the web page that you want to summarize, and Bard will generate a concise summary for you. You can also adjust the length and the level of detail of the summary according to your needs. The next point, provide multiple drafts of its responses. Bard can provide multiple drafts of its responses, which is a great way to get feedback on your work and to make sure that you are getting the best possible result. You can compare different drafts of Bard's responses and choose the one that suits your purpose. You can also edit or refine the drafts as you wish. Bard can also explain code, which is a great way to learn new programming languages or to debug existing code. You can simply paste the code that you want to understand, and Bard will generate a clear and detailed explanation for you. You can also ask Bard specific questions about the code, such as what it does, how it works, or why it produces certain outputs. Next point is suggest Google searches. Bard can suggest Google searches to go further, which is a great way to find additional information on a topic. You can simply type suggest after your query or prompt, and Bard will generate a list of Google searches that are related to your topic. You can then click on any of the suggested searches to explore them further. And the final point is planning a trip. Google Bard can even plan your trips. Bard can plan your trips, which includes finding flights, hotels, activities. You can simply tell Bard where and when you want to go, and Bard will generate a travel plan for you. You can also specify your preferences and budget, and Bard will tailor the plan accordingly. You can also ask Bard for recommendations on what to do or see in your destination. While ChatGPT can also help in planning, but its database is not up to date, so Bard will show more recent places to visit and more. These features are cool, but according to CNET, which tested the Bard, ChatGPT, and Microsoft AI powered Bing, the Google chatbot was the least reliable. But we can use these features, and as its database is up to date, so we can use for planning trips, explaining codes. That's all, friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video is useful, then like and subscribe my channel.